Your hate moves like a freight train, steady with a heavy weight, barreling down for many years, delivering loads of pain, refueling again and again. Any hope caught in your smoke just disappears. It's your turn. You draw a hard line in the sand, then walk a wire when they're much too young to stand. Over your chasm, breathing widens every day. The innocent say, hey now love's the only way. So it's your turn to say you're sorry. Your turn to fall down on your knees. Maybe